videotaping. Squishy, squishy, squish, 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 squish. It's so squishy. Oh, I can't change it. Hold the camera. I like squish. Squish, 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 squish.
How did you make it small?
I did. I made it big. It should have been big. It's so funny. You should squish this thing.
It's good.
That's not funny. That's not funny.
Oh, yes it is.
No, it's not. Hold it up.
I won't be close to you, so.
I'm trying to get you, buddy. Hold me on. Okay, stop.
Your hose off.
Okay.
You can't slip anymore.
I'm not trying to get you muddy. See? If I splash. I can't slip on purpose though. Check it out. That's not funny. I can feel it right on me.
You mean in your ass as well?
Yeah.
Oh! I should hose you off because you're gonna be. I'll take off my green t-shirt, then I'll do it.
Okay, I'm like, not, I'm it's so fun though.
I know, right?
Give me.
Here.
Hold up.
Pass me the hose. The hose is mine.
Fine, the hose will be yours. Try squishing those. No, you can't squish and hold the hose at the same time.
Yes, I can. Come on. I don't want to do it alone.
I can't do it by holding the video camera at the same time.
Don't hold the video camera then. Someone's coming.
It's okay.
You're putting the video camera, I'll sit down.
It's good this way.
Can you see it? Can that video camera see it though? Yeah, it can. Don't put me, I'll sit down myself. Okay. Enjoy. Enjoy.
Yeah! It's not squishing properly enough.
Your turn, Steph.
Come on. Squish! You want me to fall first?
Yeah.
There, it fell.
How fake was that?
What?
How fake was that?
I know.
Do it again.
Oh, fine. Squish! No, I can't fall. I'm muddy. Squish! Oh, shoot.
Okay, I'm muddy. Hold on. Because I can't keep the mud on my shirt too long because it sounds like it's a good blend of people. I mean, swimmers. Used for my training.
This is good brand of stuff.
But not used for training now, is it? No. Not like a money. It's not like you.
Oh, it's so squishy over here. Okay, I think we had enough squishy. I know.
Now it's just about watering and making fun.
Yeah, I need to be hose off.
I can hose off for you. Here. So you don't know where you're hosing off.
Isn't audio like more of your best friend than mine?
But I think I'm going to talk to because it's part of the popular group.
The what?
Popular group.
The what?
Popular group.
Oh, the popular. I think your mom might be here.